deliver a framework of prefabricated elements in steel and concrete. We do the design and the production and the assembly and also the project management. So we have the whole value chain in-house. Our customers will receive what they have ordered in the right quality at the right time and at the expected price. The main reason for increasing the level of automation in our factories is the high labor costs in Norway. And I think that doing this is the only way we can stay competitive. We were looking into building a factory that was highly automated, and when you want to highly automate something, then you also need the IT bit to be in line. And if you have too many suppliers of all your equipment, you're not able to get the whole benefit out of your system. At the time we were doing the project, which is actually not very long ago, I believe Elematic was one of the companies that had come furthest with regards to automation. Also, Elematic had a wide range of products. We are very happy about the installation process. The way we managed to build this factory in such a short period of time is actually quite amazing. This hollow core factory in Bergen is the fourth of our hollow core factories in Norway. And we have machinery from Elematic dating many years back. So we've had a long-term experience with the service provided by Elematic, and we were very confident that the sort of aftermarket would be serviced really well.
Elematic has delivered all machineries to this plant, including the batching and mixing plant, transportation of the concrete, the production machinery, the stressing machine, and also the slab transportation system. It's an efficient plant from all sides, to the maintenance, the washing area, and also for the production area and the transportation area. The extruder E9 is a quite fast extruder, which we find very good in daily process. We have casted up to 2.8 meters per minute for 265 slabs, and that's quite fast. The modifier is an efficient machine that saves our toughest job for the operator in the production of a hollow core. We have many things that we are proud of that works quite good. The batching and mixing plant, the automation with transporting the concrete from the mixer, and also the multi-stressor is one of the things I want to mention, and of course the transport of the elements. One of the biggest benefits with using a plant control system is that you can, in the early phase of the day, see that you are ahead or behind the schedule, and you can early take actions to what needed to be done.
Also, I would like to emphasize the development phase of this project, because I think that we had very good cooperation during that phase, and that Elematic was very open to listen to all our needs, all our dreams even. Both Elematic and Contiga have really wanted this to be a success, and we have worked together to create something new.